My Yiddish studies lapsed after I left the Volksschule, and I became a convert the notion that Yiddish was the language of the ghetto. And although I knew by that time I was conversant with Shalom Aleichem and the major Yiddish writers, I felt that with the destruction of European Jewry, that Hebrew represented the future shared language and culture of the people. And I will come back to that because later on I recanted when the Yiddish Book Center actually prompted that, a recognition that we have now to recapture whatever shreds that remain to us. So everything is important, but by that time I had put aside Yiddish with a kind of ignorant snobbery that, as I say, I later recanted.